In this video, we're going to start creating our Instagram post, or rather submitting our form. So if you go now, when you click here, want to add some files, when you add some details, click share, want to send this to our backend. So first and foremost, we're going to start by downloading some videos and pictures. So you can go to Pixabay. In here, we're going to download some videos from Pixabay. And make sure this is videos. You can just click on download here, hopefully it downloads. Yes, it's downloading. I'll save mine to this Instagram close media. Alright, so you can just do this multiple times. Pick new videos, download from here. Let's save it there. Alright, you can search more videos like tech. So you can download this one. Alright, and then go to Unsplash. Here we're gonna also download a few pictures. Click on download, download this, also download that. Let's also download this. Alright, so after doing that, we can close this, and now we can start adding our method and our properties to our component. So let's go back. In here, go to the create in the backend. In here, above this max model width function, here let's start adding our models. Here first we're going to say use with file uploads, this Livewire, this one down here, make sure it's imported here. Down here we're going to say public media, make this an empty array, and here we can say public description, here paste this a few times, location, hide, like, view, allow, commenting. After doing that, down here I'm going to add after this max model width. Down here we can now add function, submit. In here we're just going to do something like dd, this media, comma, a few times, just copy from here this description, location, this one hide, like, view, and allow commenting. Alright, now after adding that, let's now go to our creating here. Let me close that and close that. In here we have this trigger, it's a trigger button adding our files, and this is for showing our files. So in here, this one will be hidden if the file count is greater than 0. So here we can say inside this media section here on the left side, let's say if else. So if else, alright, drag this trigger button, this label, inside the first if, and then this other element inside the else, like that. So now let's first work with this if. So here we'll say if count for media is equals to 0, then we can show this button for adding posts, which is this one. But if the count is greater than 0, which means we're going to show the actual post. So now for the posts, in here inside the div, we have this div. Let me just make this one line like that. Inside this div element, since these elements hold the same kind of classes, so we're just going to use one of these. So now you can just delete that, and then move this photo inside here where there's video, and then inside this element we can now add something like for each media as file. So here let's add as key, because we want to use this key somehow, point it to file, and then put this down below. Make sure this the video and the image are inside this for each. Alright, after doing that, now we're going to do something to check the meme type. Okay, because if it's a photo, we want to show this image. Let's actually delete this dummy image. If it's a photo, we want to show this one. If it's a video, we want to show this one. So let's now add if string post file. Here we can use this default property called get meme type. This will just bring us the meme type for the actual file, because this will be a Livewire temporary file. I'll show you this later. So just type a file get meme type. All right, after that we're gonna say inside this string post comma, or if this image, if it's not equals to false, which means it is an image, when you copy this here, say else if, just add else if this is video, if it's not equals to false, which means it's a video, we're gonna show a video here, and then here in the source just add some open bracket. Inside here say file temporary URL. We're gonna use some temporary URL to view our file before we upload it. Right here, copy this same thing here inside the video source, paste it there. All right, here you can also add something like two open brackets or leave it there. You can add this colon. Alrighty, now for finance, just remove this hidden and then add this flex. Now that should work fine. Here, if you come to this label, the input, here we should add something like wire model. Since this is Livewire version 3, we can now add .live because these are deferred by default. Here say media. Alrighty. Here just make sure that you remove these brackets. Or after I add a column there, so remove the brackets. And also I realize that this line div is supposed to be outside the for each because we're going to create element for each, not all of them inside one element. So here move this div inside the for each, or like that. And then now if we try to go back, let's open. Right here, let's click there. Let's try to upload this video of 40 MB. If we click there and it's not working. All right, okay, I think I know why. Now if we if you go to the Livewire config, the maximum file upload size is 12 MB. So let's just copy this one, put it there. And here where it's 12, the first one, just what 100. Now this, it might not entirely solve the problem. It might be because of our PHP core settings. So we have to fix that too. Because here, look, if we refresh this and then try to click create and upload the same file again, it most likely will not work. So we have to actually fix the problem from our PHP settings itself. So here, if you're on Mac, you can just simply go to the Finder. In here, after I open the Finder, or on Windows, I think the path is the same. Just go to folder, and then just try to follow this path wherever, Windows or Mac, it doesn't matter, I think. Let's go to our PHP folders. In here, I have two PHP versions currently, 0.1 and 0.2. So let's try to edit for 0.1 first. So here, open PHP ini. In here, let's find this one, post max file size, and I think for PHP 8.1 I already fixed that. Here, let's just change this to 100, and then also let's search for upload. This one, upload max file size, change this to 100. It might be 2 MB for you, so I'll go back here. Let's open PHP 8.2 and then open the PHP ini file for PHP 8.2. Click there. In here, let's find also this one, post max file size, change it to 100, and also the upload, this one, upload max file size, change it to 100, just these two. After we do that, we can simply close this, close that, and our Livewire is also 100, so it should work. Close that too. You can also close this PHP folder. Right now, after you do that, it's important, you see we even got an error before about the file limit being exceeded in PHP, so this is good, it shows us the error. So now we can simply close this, make sure you restart your PHP artisan serve, and then run PHP artisan serve again after closing it. Alright, so after doing that, now if we go back, let's just close this, refresh. Alright, now if I click there, upload files from computer, let's click on this file again, And it worked. Now we're able to upload our file. You can even play it and it will show because of we've now increased the post max upload file size for our PHP. You can close this file. Alright, now if we close this and then let's try to upload more files. If I click create, open there, and then I can choose this video, I can choose this photo and this video, and then click upload. And voila, our photo is uploaded. If I scroll to the left, we have our video here and another video, and it's working perfect. Right, so this is working fine. Now let's add wire models to our properties here. This one, location, this one, and that one. So let's close that. Okay, so now in here, in the create blade file, we can simply go to, let's first collapse this. Is done for now. The media is done. Let's go to our details. Here in our details, here in the description, here in our description here, let's add here wire model description, and then location 2. Here in the input, let's add wire model location. The advanced settings, in here in our hide like and view on this post, here we have an input. Let's also add wire model hide like view. And last but not the least, here in our turn off commenting, wire model, in here allow commenting. Okay, now one last thing is that we have to add a submit, a button, submit our form. So here in the header, here in the button, okay, here we want to add wire click submit. This is going to just call the submit in our Livewire component, the one we created earlier, this one. Alright, now after doing that, we just have to make sure I will add one more thing here. Let's add disabled if the count of the media is equals to 0, because we don't want to submit a post without photos. We don't want that. Then here let's just add wire loading, since we're working with large files, dot attribute is equals to disabled. We also want to disable this while our files are uploading. Alright, now hopefully everything works fine. If I refresh this and then I click create, there, let's just upload this video, the photo, the video, upload that. Alright, and then here let me add something like short description, location, my home. Here let me toggle this boo boo, and if I click share here, you see we are getting this true my home as the location, description, and our 3 temporary uploaded files, which is the JPEG and 2 videos here, MP4 and MP4. So I think that's it for this video. We'll go on to our next video. We are now going to create our post and save it to our database. So see you in the next video.